video today, I'll be showing you how you can make your own vitamin C serum. Vitamin C restores skin tissue. Vitamin C rejuvenates the skin. Vitamin C is also an anti-aging. All you just need to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, so you get to see everything from beginning to the end. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Julian Ike, and on this channel I talk about skincare tips, natural health remedy tips, and sex and relationship tips. So if you are interested in any of those, consider clicking the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you get to see my videos anytime I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I love you and I appreciate you. God bless you all. Now, this is the point where I ask you to give this video a thumb up. Click that like button because that's what will make YouTube to push my video forward for more people to see it and for more people to view it. Support my work, encourage me, and as you do so, God bless you. Let's get started. Here is my orange. All I'm just taking from here is the peel. So if you have a way to grate your peel, you can do that. You can see my peel if you have a way. So what I'm doing here, I know you'll be wondering, what am I doing? I'm just scraping out the orange peel. Alright, that's what I'm doing, because that's what I need from this orange. If you have a better way to grate out your orange peel, it's okay. Okay, alright, it's okay. So here is our orange peel. We need just 1 spoon for this, so everything here is just 1 spoon. So all right, here is our orange peel in the bowl. Then you add almond oil. So here is almond oil, 2 spoons of almond oil. Two spoons. You stir. This is very good. When you try this, you will see what I'm saying. Then you add aloe vera gel. Add 1. I don't have it. My aloe vera is almost finished. Pardon me for that. Okay, 2 aloe vera gel. I need just 3 spoons for this, so I've added 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. I've added 2 spoons, so this will make it the 3rd one, which is the last one for this. All right. Okay. Stir. Can you see? See? You can use ripe orange. You can use unripe orange. So this one is greenish because the orange is not looking ripe outside. So but if you get the one that is looking ripe outside, the color is also more attractive to me. That's what I feel. Then we will now add vegetable oil. If you don't have vegetable oil, in this case you can use olive oil, but I'm using vegetable oil. So one spoon of vegetable oil. Stir well. I like using this bowl to do my mixing even when I know I'm making a small quantity, but it's always free for me to stir very well. So stir very well. So I'll be using 7 capsules of vitamin E oil. So I use my spoon to burst. I don't have scissors close by, so I'm using this one. I'm using my spoon. Okay, I've added the 7 capsules of the vitamin C oil. Then you stir very well. Stir. So pour in the container. I'm pouring in a container. Okay. So how to use this? You apply, let's say, on your face, your neck, your under eye, everywhere. It's so nice. Then after applying, you leave it to dry. After it's dry, then you now count 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you wash it off. Do this morning and night, and this one should last you for 2 weeks. When you are making, make the one that will last you for 2 weeks. Keep it in your fridge. Okay, keep it in your fridge for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, even if you've not finished it, dispose it and make a new one. All right, so now that's that. If you find this interesting, don't forget to hit the like button, and also click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed, and turn on your notification bell so you get to see my videos anytime I upload new video. Thank you for watching. God bless you.